Here's my challenge. I've only been given 4 minutes to explain how FileHold is the document management solution your business needs, and it's so feature-rich, I don't know what to ignore. I need to mention that you can use FileHold's installed Windows version, a web client that works on a browser of your choice, and even a mobile version for simplified use. Adding documents is easy. You can drag and drop them into the inbox, import them from another software, or use an automated watched folder. You can store documents or records, tag them with essential information to organize content, and use FileHold's powerful search functions to find it quickly. Search by metadata, document text, or system information. You can save and recall searches with a click. FastFind does a hotkey search of the FileHold repository when you're in another software. Use optical character recognition to automatically make the text of your PDF searchable. You need FileHold's automatic version control to protect documents in the server. Users can check out content for editing, but the original is preserved along with the version history and a complete audit record of activity. No need to worry about access control, it's fundamental to the software. User roles are tightly managed, so when you add documents, FileHold determines who is allowed to see the document and controls what they can do with it. Integrate with your Entra Modern Authentication or Active Directory single sign-on to make user management simple. And FileHold's not just a repository, you can put your documents into workflow automatically or manually for configurable review or approval processes, including e-signatures and sign-off sheets. You can respond to workflow tasks from your email or delegate them when you're out of the office. FileHold offers comprehensive workflow search tools and a simple dashboard for at-a-glance status updates. FileHold is not just a standalone software. It can seamlessly integrate with your other software or databases through our fully documented API. If you use Microsoft Office, you can add your new Word, Excel, or PowerPoint files right from the ribbon. Add emails from Outlook directly. FileHold pulls the to, from, and subject into the metadata and adds the text of attachments to the search index. You can also add attachments directly as independent documents. If you work with MS Teams, our integration means that you can save documents directly into Teams or add your Teams files as new FileHold content to preserve them or route them into automated workflows. Form processing is a snap. Read and process form PDFs instantly and make the field searchable. If you're scanning forms or standardized documents, like invoices, FileHold comes with SmartSoft Capture, a zonal OCR front-end tool to pre-process metadata and create searchable text. Bring those documents into FileHold and get them to the right container with auto-filing to streamline tasks. FileHold's library structure is based on filing cabinets, so it's easy to transfer your physical documents into a matching digital architecture. Going paperless means you can automate your retention policies, archiving documents you need to keep, or deleting the ones that offer no further organizational value. Moving paperless can save time, space, and money to store, organize, and retrieve all that paper. FileHold's familiar Windows-like structure makes the transition easy on your colleagues. FileHold stores your documents on the server so team members can download files to their own workstation or look at them with the FileHold viewer. The viewer lets you mark up documents, make comments, even redact content. Users can make their own custom views so the information that's important to them is shown on every folder they click. The metadata pane shows all the details they need, and they can even see what other documents share that information. Keep in contact with files by subscribing to documents or folders and be alerted of any changes. Each deployment of FileHold comes with a full training package to configure your software to your needs. FileCare Unlimited Technical Support ensures you get the help you need when you need it. And there's so much more to talk about. Automatic document imports, watched folders, custom reports, print to FileHold, document control numbers. Whew. I can't really do this justice in 4 minutes. Reach out to us at sales@filehold.com and let us know how we can help. FileHold has a right-sized solution for your business needs. Actually, there's so much content here, maybe I should start over and tell you all the things FileHold cannot do. FileHold does not fold your laundry or wash your car. It can't walk your